Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to read a text and analyze the text, tell you everything that exists in this text. The text is small because I don't want to make it hard. I want you to get everything which exists in this video related to this small text. Les petites craintes. Les petites craintes. This is the title. Crainte. Crainte. Crainte means fear. Crainte means fear, like la peur. Les petites craintes, the small fears. Les petites craintes, the small fears. You can put instead of crainte, peur. Les petites peurs, the small fears. Les petites craintes, the small fears. Exactly. So you can put instead of crainte, peur. Moi, je crains pour ma fille. Moi, je crains pour ma fille. Crains. The verb is, I wrote the verb craindre. This is our verb. Craindre. Craindre means to fear. Moi, me, je crains pour ma fille. I am afraid for my daughter. You know, craindre, crains. This is the conjugation. So, moi, je crains pour ma fille. Me, I am worried, or it's better to say I am afraid. I am afraid, or I am scared for my daughter. Elle circule, for why? Elle circule enrôlée. Elle circule enrôlée dans Paris. Elle circule enrôlée dans Paris. Circule enrôlée means the verb is circuler enrôlée. Whenever you are enrôlé means that you are on a skate. You have a skate on your feet. So elle circule enrôlée means, or circuler enrôlée means that you go everywhere on a skate, by a skate. Circuler means driving and going everywhere. Circuler dans la rue, par exemple, in the street. Elle circule enrôlée dans Paris. In Paris, she goes everywhere by skate. Elle prend des risques. Prendre des risques. I will write for you. Prendre des risques. Prendre des risques, guys, means to take risks. Prendre des risques means to take risks. So, elle prend des risques. She takes risks. Je m'inquiète. In the previous video, you understood what je m'inquiète means. Je m'inquiète. The verb is s'inquiéter, guys. S'inquiéter. This is the infinitive. S'inquiéter. S'inquiéter means to be worried. So, je m'inquiète. I am worried. Je suis inquiet, or je suis inquiet, liaison. Je suis inquiet pour elle. Je suis inquiet pour elle means être inquiet. Être inquiet means to be worried. If you are if you are female, if you are a woman or a girl, you must say je suis inquiète pour elle. Je suis inquiet pour elle. So from this inquiet, from this adjective, we understand that this subject is a man. Je suis inquiet pour elle. I am worried for her. C'est un souci pour moi. C'est un souci. C'est un, it is a souci. Concern. Souci means concern. C'est un souci pour moi. It's a concern for me. Ça me préoccupe. Ça me préoccupe. The verb is préoccuper. Préoccuper, guys, means to worry. Préoccuper means to worry. So, ça me préoccupe. It makes me worried, or it worries me. It makes me worried. J'en suis pas tranquille. Tranquille means calm, quiet, tranquil. You can say j'en suis pas tranquille means that I am not tranquil. I am not calm. It means that I am anxious all the time. Je redoute qu'il y ait un accident. Guys, redouter ko, after redouter ko, after this verb you must give subjunctive. You must do subjunctive. Je redoute qu'il y ait un accident. It means redouter means that I am worried. Je redoute, I am worried, or I am afraid. I am afraid that il y ait un accident. This is the subjunctive form of avoir. So you can say I am afraid that she has an accident. Mais elle, you can pronounce like that. Mais elle or mais elle, but she, elle ne s'en fait pas. Elle ne s'en fait pas. Elle ne s'en fait pas all together means she doesn't worry. She doesn't worry. She is not worried, or she doesn't worry. Whenever you say ne t'en fais pas, for example, you say to somebody ne t'en fais pas. Ne t'en fais pas means that don't worry. Ne t'en fais pas, don't worry. Alors, elle ne s'en fait pas. She doesn't worry. She is not worried. She doesn't worry. Elle ne craint rien. Craint, this is the conjugation form of the verb craindre pour la troisième personne, for the third person, for the third subject pronouns. Elle ne craint rien. Rien means anything, so elle ne craint rien means she is not afraid of anything. Okay? Elle ne craint rien. For example, tu n'as rien à craindre. Tu n'as rien à craindre. Sorry, I make it correct. Tu n'as rien, you don't have anything à craindre, to be afraid of. Tu n'as rien à craindre means you don't have anything to be afraid of. Okay, guys, in this small text you understood, or you learned some verbs related to be worried, to be anxious, or also to be afraid of. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good time. Bye.